Welcome from Team IMA. In fact, as a clinician, because I'm talking on behalf of IMA College of General Practitioners, people, most of them may be coming to you directly. There's nothing to panic. In spite of the reports that some people have died claim to have died in Delhi because of chikungunya, but I still believe chikungunya is a very safe disease, except that it may cripple you for a few days. So a clinician has to judiciously use his mind on day one whether he wants to go for what investigations or he wants to go direct with the treatment. And dengue can be diagnosed on day one by a simple test, and chikungunya may take it longer. So be safe. Start with good paracetamol. Go for basic investigations and wait for 5 days. And in case the patient is doing well, he is recovering, it's okay. And otherwise, go for further tests. And mind it, we have to be very careful while we use analgesics, especially aspirin and ibuprofen type of salts or nimesulide type of salts. They should not be given unless we rule out dengue in all these cases. And definitely Delhi is reeling under the pressure of dengue and chikungunya. And but remember the days when in 1996 more than 10,000 cases were diagnosed with dengue in Delhi, and more than 400 died out of them. And now the fatality rate even in dengue has come down to 0.25% or so. So I think innovation, scientific invention, lot of communication with people like you is improving the treatment facilities, treatment infrastructure, and all this is being passed on to our patients. I think we can definitely do it very fast and soon. Thank you.